Hi students, next chapter Human Resource Audit. The human resource audit is a process of examining policies, procedures, documentation, system and practice with respect to an organization HR functions. So the audit works best when the focus is on analyzing the improving the HR functions in the organization. HR audit is a comprehensive method of objective and systematic verification of current practice, documentation, policies, and procedures. So, it is a system of an organization. An effective HR audit helps in identify the needs for improvement and enhancement of the HR functions. There is a definition. Philo defined it that HR auditing is the measurement of the cost and value of people for organization. Objectives of HR audit, it indicates that effectiveness of performance of HR department, implementation of HR policies and procedures to find out the reasons for low productivity and improve the HRD strategies, evaluation of the HR staff and employees, modify and review HR system and challenges. Next one, types of HR audits. They are classified into four types, that is compliance, focus on how well to the company with current government laws, rules and regulations. Second one, best practice. It helps the organization in maintaining or improve the competitive advantages by comparing its practice with other companies. Third one, strategies. Focus on the strength and weaknesses of the system and process to determine the companies. Fifth one, and it can be resolve it. So fourth one, functions and specific. It focus on the specific area of HR functions like payrolls, performance management, record, etc. Next one, scope of audit. Generally, no one can measure the attitude of human being. It covers the following HR areas like audits of all the HR functions, audit of managerial compliance of personal policies, procedures, and legal provisions, audit of corporate strategies regarding HR planning, staffing, remuneration, and other HR activities, audit of a HR climate on employees, motivation, morale, and job satisfaction. There is a benefits of HR audit. It helps to find out the proper contribution of the HR department towards the organization, development of a professional image of the HR department of an organization. It reduces the HR cost, motivation of the HR personnel, find out the problems and solve them smoothly, sound performance appraisal systems, systematic job analysis, smooth adoption of the changing mindset. It retain the qualified employees. HR accounting helps management in acquiring, placing, and in making effective utilization of HR resources. It aids in deciding the transfer, promotion, training, etc. of human resources. And HR accounting helps to improve the profile of the enterprises and its images. Next topic, employee satisfaction audit. So, employee satisfaction audit tells employers how employees regards their work environment. Satisfaction surveys are used by organization or business to measure the liking and approval of a particular group of stakeholders for its services, work environment, culture, or employment. So, employee satisfaction refers to an employee's generally attitudes towards his or her job. When employee needs are unmet, turnover, absenteeism, and union activities are more likely to learn how well employees' needs are met. The audit terms gather data from workers. The, the team collects information about wages, benefits, and all other dimension of their jobs. A compliance audit is a comprehensive review of an organization adherence to regulatory guidelines. So audit reports evaluate the strengths and donests of compliance, preparation, security policies, user access control and risk management procedures over the course of compliance audit. Compliance with the laws is especially important when safety, compensation, or labor law are violated. The government holds the company responsible. If manager ignores policies or violate employees relations law, the audit should uncover these errors so that the correctivity action and can be started. Next thing, audit of HR functions. It involves all activities of HR functions from HRP, that is means HR, human resource planning, to industrial relations. The major areas are planning or forecasting, scheduling, staffing and development, organizing, motivation, administration, research and innovation. So these are the functions of HR. It includes as an a managerial functions also. So conclusion of HR audit. HR audit can be performed through the measurement of the effectiveness of the HR functions of an organization, with which can be used to measure the performance that employees are giving to the organization, and also measuring the level of satisfaction that the organization is able to provide its personnel. The main function of HRA are to be take specific action that will help minimize employees turnover, orientation, training, working condition, remuneration and benefits, and opportunity for advancement.